We got a kitty cat doing his morning hunt. Hi! What you doing? He gets so focused. He's gonna get it. You getting it? You getting it this morning? He gets so focused, he gets locked in. You getting it? Get it? Oh, you missed it. He won't drink it if it's coming out in a small, steady stream. He wants to stalk it. Where you going? Plant. I need to dead hit it. I got it. You got it, big boy. I have to turn it on every morning for it just to slowly drip. Silly boy. You got it, Teak Teak. And then we have my body cat. Constantly guarding me all morning, every morning. Where we going next? We're not ready to go out there yet, big boy. Gotta brush my hair and my teeth still. He thinks we're going to put shoes on. You talking? You talking? Teak Teak. What you talking about? Good morning. Good morning. You talking? Little short stuff. Get on up there. There you go. You want attention too? Good morning. Good morning. You gonna whisper to me? Good morning. JC. Good morning. Good morning. Teak Teak's the quiet one, but when he speaks up, he's loud. Don't take Teak Teak's water. I know you want it. Hey there, big boy. Come on, JC, let's go brush teeth. There we go. Leading the way.